Welcome, today in front of me Blackview BV6600E, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reduce the highest volume of our device speaker here, so the value on this display then will change. So let's start. So our Blackview device reached 115.5 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.